Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock blocked websites on school Chromebook. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are a number of websites and unblockers you can use, but the one I recommend is this one. Go ahead and type that into your browser's address bar, sybau.alcrb.ru, and hit Enter. This will take you to the DogUbe unblocker, which in my opinion works best for school Chromebooks. From here, you can use the search box to access any website by typing in the address. If you click the Apps section in the top right-hand corner, you'll see popular apps like Discord, Instagram, Amazon, and Netflix. There's also a Games section where you can play games, including Roblox, directly on your school Chromebook. You can even use the search box at the top to find specific games or websites, and that's it. So that's basically how you can unblock blocked websites on school Chromebook. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.